Hello friends, I have installed Braid and Padawan on my R3G router. I thought it was easy to revert to the stock firmware, but some friends find it difficult. So in this video I'll show you what I did. Hope it could be helpful. Basically, we just log in the Braid web console, select a firmware upgrade, choose the stock firmware image. Braid would recognize the stock firmware after it's uploaded. Click the upgrade button, then we wait. Stock firmware will come back. It's not difficult, right? Actually, I'm not sure if all the versions of stock firmware are supported this way. Either I'm not sure if all the versions of Braid support stock firmware, but at least my version supports it. Below is the version number just for you as a reference. Hope you find it helpful. See you next time. Bye bye.